Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to a new video. And in today's video, we are going to look into 10 construction technology trends impacting the industry in 2021 and beyond. So let's see what are the top 10 construction technologies which are in trend and which are impacting the construction industry. Let's see. Okay, 10 construction technologies impacting the industry in 2021. Actually, as we know that technology is constantly evolving to accommodate the modern demands of business, and the construction industry is no exception. Below, we look at the top 10 trends that will be impacting the construction industry in 2021 and beyond. It includes including improved connectivity between men and machines, faster internet speed for communication, and replacing humans with robotics. Right? So the first biggest trend is the big data. Historical big data can pick out patterns and probabilities of risks and increasing the safety. And then big data, like big data from the weather, traffic, and environment, can determine optimal phasing of activities, and that eventually improves the efficiency. So the second biggest trend in the construction industry is the involvement of the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Up to 30% of the business time can be saved by using artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. So predictive designing increases building lifetime. By using artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can do the predictive designing, which can increase the lifetime of buildings and better design of buildings, which ensures mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems don't clash with each other. And the other important thing which AI and ML does is AI can leverage automation for repetitive tasks that can increase the productivity. So the next and the third technology is the Internet of Things, which we call IoT. Internet of Things means the smart machinery like uh, cameras, sensors, involvement of wireless sensors, and different smart machineries. So smart machineries can perform repetitive tasks and maintain itself, boosting efficiency and productivity and reducing carbon footprints. Smart applications track your footfalls, perform inductions, and check workers in and out, which ultimately saves the time of a project. So it also helps in finding the geolocations. By using geolocation technologies, we can identify hazards, which ultimately increases the safety. So that was Internet of Things. And the next trend or technology is the application of robotics and drones in construction industry. Drone cameras can be used to give a quick site view, identify danger areas, improving safety. Drones can deliver materials, reducing vehicle usage. So this is a great plus point of using robotics and drones. Robots can also be used for bricklaying and masonry, improving the speed and quality of the work. So in future, we can actually replace human being workers with the robots and drones. So which can eventually improve the speed of the work, quality of the work, and then which also improves the safety. The next technology is the usage of Internet 5G and Wi-Fi 6. So mobile broadcast is providing a competitive alternative to the traditional fixed lines. So conventional method is for broadcasting is the usage of the fixed lines, right? So this latest technology of mobile broadcasting is actually replacing the traditional fixed lines with wireless systems. So this technology enables quicker installation time and greater flexibility, still receiving the required level of services. So 5G will increase the productivity by more than 27 times. You can actually imagine how huge this technology is, that it can increase the productivity of any project up to 27 times. So it will reduce man-hour work 20%. It is reducing the man-hour work by 20% and increasing the productivity of the project or task by 27 times. The next is BIM, Building Information Modeling Technology. BIM technology allows experts to receive a project and results in real time, enabling better collaboration. It is a perfect support for clash detection and problem solving during design, which improves planning and increases efficiency. Actually, if we adopt BIM in our projects, it has been gradually settling within the construction business with almost 50% for the past 6 years. So that was BIM, and the next technology is augmented reality, which we call AR, and virtual reality. These are two technologies, AR and VR technology. AR and VR technology support fast and precise simulation of architectural and or structural changes, automatic measurements, and enables design improvements, risk assessments reinforced with hazard simulations and clash detections, and improving collaboration between designers regardless of physical locations. So there was the positive points for AR and VR technologies. The next technology which we are going to discuss is 3D printing. 3D printing enables uh, prefabricate off-site or directly on-site ready to be used immediately. It allows fast delivery of materials and reduces wastage and saves time. See, it delivers fast, it reduces the wastage, it saves your time and improves the sustainability in the production process. So there are four plus points of using 3D printing: fast delivery, reduction of wastage, saving time, and improving the sustainability during the production process. So, according to a survey of UK construction market, the UK construction market is expected to have a 66.7% adoption rate in 2021, which was 54% in 2020. So, actually, the developed countries are using these technologies. The next is mobile and cloud technologies. Cloud technologies enables the possibility to access, modify, and manage data stored in remote servers. These technologies allow data sharing in real time to all project participants in the building construction process for the improved collaboration and information sharing. The next and the last technology is the blockchain technology. The smart contract implementation through blockchain technology improves efficiency by excluding uh, intermediary services. It triggers transparency during the construction process, influencing project workflow optimization. Like Bitcoin could be a crucial catalyst capable to boost collaboration and transparency in the transactions, like the application of cryptocurrencies, which is based on the blockchain technology, right? So the blockchain technology uh, increased by 50% between 2017 and 2018. So that means that with the passage of time, the use of block technology is increasing on a huge pace. So these were top 10 technologies, and I got these technologies in an article which was published on a web page which was known as UK Connect. So if you guys want to read it in more detail, I can share the link of that article in the description of the video. So I think that's it for today, and in coming videos we will try to discuss in depth each of these technologies in depth in separate videos. So we will make 10 different videos, and in each video we will try to discuss more in depth about these all 10 technologies, and we'll try to learn their applications in future. So till next video, goodbye from my side. Take good care. See you guys in next video.